Oh, yeah?
All right. So these welding gloves that we like to start everybody out with, these are like the heaviest duty gloves ever. Like you could work with a forge with these gloves, okay? So, and what that amounts to is that they're really gonna protect your hand, and also you were gonna have like no dexterity like at all with them. So what I'm asking you to do is like use pairs of pliers to like cut the end of your welding tip and all. You're gonna hate me. You're gonna want to rip your gloves off constantly, and you're gonna want to rip them off to pick up your piece of metal. And I'm gonna urge you, try your very best to not do that, okay? Because hot things are really.
Wait, fingers loose. Can you try it? Yeah. Okay. Huh?
You set them here. Yeah, too hard.
I feel that this is too fast for her.
Your wires go a little fast.
But though it was fine for her, so I don't know what
Oh, okay. I was like, you guys both look like you're doing really good.
I don't know, because on the back, it cuts through.
That's okay. Okay, that's fine. Oh, yeah, yeah. So, all I would say here, so this actually, you're looking pretty good here. All I would say here, a little bit more focus on that circle.
Okay.
When you're coming down to touch, so we want our wires to be a little shorter than this, right there. And when you come down
I'm not sure if I did it right though.
1, 2, 3.
You might even look better than mine.
Yeah, you just gotta stand that material like a little bit longer, but
leave it down there longer.
yeah, it's that whole three count. It helps you kind of stay on focus. How we do? Ooh. Yes.
Oh, it's hot. I forgot.
See, I told you. You remembered immediately. You're like, oh, things are hot. Put it down. Put it down. That was great.
Oh, it's cool.
Yeah. Keep going.
Here, next. Little too long.
Okay, so I'm going to give you some more steel here, and I want you to start tack welding. Throwing stuff now. Tack welding these together. You can go here, 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 wherever you want. Okay.
What do you want?
Go for it. Go for it.
What happened?
No, it's
Oh, sparks.
What are we doing?
Just welding things together.
Okay.
So
Should I copy yours?
I mean, do what you want. Like, do what you want. I would start side by side and make sure you can weld things together side by side, and then try something more vertical like that.
And I just put. Can it just look right here?
Sure. Yeah, but I would go, like, if you want to do the same one, weld it onto the bottom like this across it,
Okay.
or on the side, so you get practice welding things together flat before you go on a different angle.
Okay. Like this?
Good, however you want.
I got scared the shit out
Turn that water just a little bit.
for example, you can kind of see like how they're little bits apart.
Yep.
Like, do we want them closer or further away from each other?
It doesn't actually matter. Like the whole purpose or function with welding first and foremost is for there to be structural integrity. So for the two pieces to be stuck together. General rule is you need at least 2 tacks, but preferably 3 for any pieces together.
Gotcha.
And like beyond that, especially for little things like this, beyond that, then it's just aesthetic.
Gotcha.
You know what I'm saying? Yeah.
Okay. I thought that's what you were asking.
I got a couple of boxes of things.
I was just following you. Ooh. Should I do a heart? Can I do a heart on this one? Crooked heart. Right. Break.
you two doing?
Pretty good. I just did a heart.
She's doing better than I am.
They all look great.
That's cool.
Good,
Yeah.
good.
Great. I mean, do you want to keep practicing?
Sure, but I also don't fun too.
Yeah. Okay.
Making a flower. Big thing.
Yeah, you did pretty well. Yeah, it gets heavy.
Did it!